The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Cadcomlab and make your AutoCAD do the 3Ds max. Dreams come true. Download the app now.
If you want to select,
Can you share my screen?
If you want to select
Yeah.
any hatch, then you can select.
Yeah.
And you can use old method is select similar, but the layer should be on the hatch. Also should be on the hatch layer. The condition is.
Yeah.
Is it your question?
No, that's not pure. I wanted to say. I'm gonna share my screen, please.
Sure. It will be very easily for me.
Yeah. Okay. Look, now I'm just selecting the hedge, but it's not selecting just hedge. That's as well selecting the line, wall line. Yeah. And I erased unfulfilled. Oh, now it's just.
I know that we have also faced this problem again. Before I've also faced this problem, and this problem also automatically solved. I know that I got it.
No, what's happening? Look, I took the rectangle and hedge. And
When we delete the hatch, then the line is also deleted with the hatch.
yeah, exactly. That's exactly. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. It's automatic.
Just mention the hatch in the wall. Just create any rectangle and then mention the hatch in that position.
Okay,
Yeah.
and
Now place any hatch inside the area. Not not use the select object. Just use the pick point. Do not use the pick object. Yeah.
now look, the line also selected. I'm gonna erase. That's the
Okay.
problem. That's what I wanted. I just want to select the hedge, not the line, not the boundary. So that's happening.
Okay. I
Erase.
think
Look,
there is
this is the problem.
something problem in the system settings. Okay. Got it. The main point is when we are deleting the object, the wall, your lines is also deleting this. Okay. So when you are using the hash command, okay, you can see in hatch dialog box, associative is checked or unchecked.
What?
In your hatch dialog box, associative boundary is checked or unchecked. Is highlighted or no?
Checked. I didn't get that.
Just type H enter and see the associative is highlighted or no.
Okay, wait a minute. No, there's
Just
not
click on the
coming the hedge. I just clicked, but nothing is coming. Like if there is, yeah, nothing, nothing happening. Just selecting all of the hedge as well, the line boundary. So yeah,
okay. The associative is checked.
no, it's not
Okay.
coming. Like Now came the head like after. Okay.
Let me see where is the problem in settings in H settings here in AutoCAD system settings. So SSAD is checked your okay. Then let me check the DS enter and yeah, press DS enter and press DS enter and just click on the options. Yeah, direct. You can type OP enter. Just type OP enter and select the display option. Where is the
Yeah.
display option? Display options. Where is the hatch option? Actually, need to, yeah. In drafting, press OP enter. You can see the drafting option. Yeah. In drafting
Yeah.
option, there is object snap option. Ignore hatch object is checked.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Drafting. Yeah. That stereo ignore hedge object is selected. Ignore dimension extension line selected. Yeah. Same like you
Yeah.
selected.
And just click on the selection option.
Selection. Okay. Selection.
Here you can see the associative hatch is unchecked.
Associative. Where?
Selection
Associative hedge. Okay. Okay.
and from the pick box, from the pick
Yeah.
box side,
Associative hedge is selected. Selected.
just uncheck.
Okay. Yeah. Unchecked.
Okay, and okay. Now click on the OK option. Now use the
Okay.
hatch. Just see what happened after this.
Yeah. It's okay now.
It's working.
Now just selecting. Yeah. It's working.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. Also, before I used a lot of hedge, and it was like that. Yeah. I selected just the hedge, and the hedge is selecting. Just hedge is selecting. But suddenly, few days ago, also that's happened to me, and I was, yeah. I didn't understand what was the problem. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, right. And that are the little problem, but they create and they make a lot of time.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have completed a lot of things in this flow plan: door tag, window tag, stairs, and let me and object isolation. Okay. After that, we will use a dimensioning part. Press D enter and modify. So this option is clear.
Yeah. It's almost clear to me.
Okay. So we can use decimal architecture. Do you know what is the use of alternate unit? It's clear.
Yeah. No. Alternate unit and tolerance. That's both of are not clear. Even I didn't use never.
It's very important. Alternate
I
unit
don't
is
know.
very
I don't.
example. Just an example. First of all, I will set the dimension setting in architecture, and we will use the text font like Arial narrow. Okay, and we will increase the size of the text. Okay, you can use the text placement. Have you used this option in your drawing, text placement?
Yeah, that's vertical and horizontal
The horizontal
variation.
part
Yeah,
in the center of the line. Okay,
yeah, those are
but
clear to me, like line, symbol, arrow, text, feed, primary units, but that's alternate units, and that's another one,
alternate
tolerance.
tolerance value is mostly
I
used in
don't
the
know.
mechanical part. Tolerance value mostly used in the mechanical field.
Oh,
So,
okay.
example, now I am mentioning the dimensions of particular areas like bedrooms and like the dimension of the bedroom is 9 feet. Yeah, total area is 12 feet. So, in this condition, example, I am working on feet and inch drawing, right? Is it possible that we can mention a two different dimension in a single unit? Like, can we mention this part is the dimension of the line is 10 feet 6 inches? Can we use both dimensions, 10 feet 6 inches?
I tend,
Like, is it possible?
I don't know. I've never used that.
Like, it's very important for those person who don't know about the different types of units. They only work on the particular dimension, not dimension, particular unit, like in feet and inches, like in meter, yeah, yeah, in centimeter.
Oh,
So
yeah,
can
you
we?
mean that like now our dimension is about in feet and inch. So as well, you are saying that we like together also we can say show centimeter or millimeter, whatever we want. Is that?
That's it. We can see different units in our drawing. How? First of all, just let's have an example. Our size of the bedroom is 9 feet and 12 feet. And
Yeah.
when we will convert the unit, so first of all, just open the calculator and make a calculation like 1 inches is equal to 25.4 mm, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Show me in cm. It will be better to me.
no problem. You can choose your any unit, centimeter. So 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter,
Centimeter.
right?
Yeah.
Now we will put this value where in the alternate unit dialog box. Just check the display alternate unit and you can see the multiplier for all unit. Here in this section we will use the 2.54, like 2.54. You can use the suffix and prefix option. Suffix like I will mention the cm, centimeter. Okay, set current, close.
Oh, now 9 feet equal like 274.30
You
320
can,
centimeter.
you can control the precision also. Like we will use only two digit in the precision dialog box. 2 or 3 digit. You can use 2 or 3 digit and just okay. Set current, close.
Okay. Wow, that's really cool.
Now you can work on different types of unit very easily. You can work like mm to inches, centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter, any unit.
So I didn't get that the first point that Like 9 inch, I have to calculate first. Equal 9 inch equal with
First of all,
uh,
one thing is very important, then which unit you are going to convert. Like, uh, first of all, 1 inches is equal to in mm. You have to remember this value. 1 inches is equal to in mm is 25.4 mm.
yeah.
And if you are going to mention in like 1 mm is equal to centimeter, 1 mm is equal to 0.1. So you have to check the all conversion before mentioning. Like if I want to mention the meter, like 1 meter is equal to in 100 centimeter, then you have to mention a meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So these are the conversion units. And 1 meter is equal to in mm, that is 1000. Like 1 meter is equal to 1000. So after this, if we are going to work on a meter, just example, first of all, I will open a blank page and we will set our unit decimal and meter. Now, we will create any example like 10 meter by 10 meter box. It's a 10 meter by 10 meter size of this box. Okay. So now I want to mention the meter value in centimeter. So I know very well that is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. After conversion, the 1 meter. So press B. First of all, we will use the linear. Just get your all dimensions from this object and modify the text size which you want to mention like 1 and just arrow size close. Okay, now it's fine. Now we will click on the modify and alternate unit. We are working on the meter and we want to see this conversion in centimeters. So just select decimal and the conversion is 100 centimeters. Just put the 100 and the precision like 0.0. Okay, set current close.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you
That's
can
cool.
work with different units very easily. You can mention two different units in your floor plan. So that's so with the help of this, your client can get, yeah, he can get every detail very easily if you uh, like uh, like you know about the
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
meter, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, I got
centimeter,
it. Yeah.
depending on the condition. So that's why the alternate unit is very important for me. Okay,
Oh
so
yeah, even I got it now.
you can use. I'm not saying that it's very important. If you are making any floor plan, that it's compulsory to mention in your floor plan area. I'm not saying
Yeah,
that it's a
absolutely.
compulsory.
No, no, it's important. Like there is a like different kind of client, and some of client like they just like to work in feet, and some are
Yeah,
interested about like millimeters and centimeters. So we can use both of. Yeah, I got it now. It's really helpful, I think.
with the help of this, you can get uh, a very detailed knowledge of different types of units. Right? You can
Yeah.
see that 1 inches is equal to 25.4 inches. Yeah, any conversion of the units. So it's very important for a architecture point of view.
Mm,
So that was the topic. So today we have completed the uh, wall, door, windows, room tag, and the stair tags, stairs detail. One thing is very important which I have left, that if you are mentioning a
today's class.
stair detail, then one thing is important, then you have to mention one part of the stairs is also like width, breadth, and riser detail. You have to make a uh, stair part and just place on the stair section, like just rotate and ortho should be on and move on the stair section like this one. So it's also very important if you are designing a stairs.
Yeah, today's class was about that. I learned something new, just the staircase and all. That's really was really helpful, and the dimension there. That one is really cool. And
These are all the details which is very important if we are making any floor plan.
yeah,
Right.
before I didn't know about much the stair details, but I learned a lot of things about the stairs today.
Also, there are so many important points. Like you can see the projections. Do you know about the projection? I think it should be clear.
No, no, I don't know.
Projection. Okay, we will discuss in next session. When I will told you that what is the meaning of the white projection and where we can use the white projection symbol, right? You can see that there are different levels. Do you have any idea of this kind of levels detail?
No.
Yeah, it's also very important. So these are the most important part of the drawing. So you can think that what types of points you are missing in your drawing,
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of things.
right? After that, when we will finish the architecture drawing, so one day, like we will take a class in Sunday, then I will show you the typical detail drawing. Then I will explain you then how we can work like that in this example. Where is the drawing? So where is the drawing? I will show the drawing, which is very important. And this drawing is very important. Like example, you can see the different sections of arches.
Oh,
Yeah, classic designs,
wow.
classic features, and the detail of the arches, like what material we are using in that decorative wooden frame, perforated metal screen, right? It's very important. So detailing is a very wide area. You can say that it's a very broad area. You can mention a lot of detail in your drawing. It's depend on your working. Depend on your working. That what kind of detail you can mention in your project. right?
Yeah.
Have you
So
seen
that I
any
was
drawing?
what?
Have you seen any villa drawing, villa floor plan?
Villa floor plan.
Yeah,
I
mostly.
didn't get that one.
Mostly you can see the in Gulf countries like if we talk in Dubai, Saudi, so they are only called the villa floor plan. They use
Yeah.
only the villa term, not use the residential.
No, no,
Mostly
just villa. Yeah, you're right.
they use only the villa part. So have you worked on the any villas project?
No, no. You're right
Okay.
that in Saudi Arabia they're just working in villa.
Yeah, it's very difficult to work on a villa floor plan. It's very difficult. There are so many details. There are huge details, like we can say that. There are huge details. I don't know where is our project. I am searching any villa drawing, but I don't know where I've saved in the folder.
And there is a lot of files.
I will show you in the next session. Sure. That
Okay, no problem.
I will show you the how we can design any villa and what types of detail we can mention in that villa design. I don't know where I saved in folder. Whenever I wanna show any drawing to you, and I missed. I don't know why this happened to me. Why can't
Yeah, I was looking for the dynamic blocks. The,
I know
you
me
said that
like
yeah, there was a lot of dynamic blocks. Yeah, that would be helpful, but
last time,
missing.
last time also I faced this problem, but now I'm just thinking that how can it possible that I saved my drawing and now I forget where what is the location of this folder. I'm just thinking, no problem. Next session I will show you the drawing of the village. No problem.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So uh, I will share the link and you can just download the video and make a
Yeah,
practice. Okay.
yeah,
And
yeah. Also, the video is really helpful to me to
hmm,
practice myself. Yeah,
today we have discussed a lot of important point dimensioning and door tag, window tag, and the stair details also. So now your work is you have to mention all details in your project, and it's very important for you.
yeah,
Okay. And in next session we will see the different types of interior. Sorry, not different types of exterior. Uh, I mean, we will discuss the different types of standard size of the interior, like example, different types of sizes, like size of bed is very important.
yeah,
Size of beds, we will discuss the king size bed measure 72 by 78 inches and are suitable for master bedroom that we can use at least 12 feet wide. Queen size bed you can mention in your drawing in your project and the size is 60 into 78 inches are suitable for compact and smaller bedrooms. Single bed measure single bed may be a 36 into 72 inches and are ideal for kids a single person's bedroom. So these are the standard sizes of the furniture. which we should know
Yeah,
about
those
it.
are important to me. Those are important to me. That in which room and which size are suitable, and
Yeah.
yeah, that's
And it's also important that we should know about the distance between the two single beds. What should be the distance between the two single beds? The most commonly way to separate two single beds is by inserting a shared bedside table in between. The minimum clearance on the other side of the single bed, even double bed, should be around 24 inches. The space between the two
distance.
beds is almost 24 inches.
Oh,
24 inches means if we will convert 24 inches, sorry, 24 inches, like if we convert in the like it will be in around 609 mm. 609 mm. So we will discuss this topic in our next session. The size of bedside table, how much we can mention in our drawing, wardrobe measurement, what are the standard sizes of the wardrobe that we can
oh
use.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's most important. That's what I want.
Yeah. And the what
Okay.
easy distance from the bed should be we can arrange. If we are designing any bedroom, then what size should be the TV distance from the bed? It's around 32 to 42 inches, and this is the standard size we can mention. But other in other condition, it's all depend on the area, and it's all depend on the condition of the rooms. Okay, but the standard size is 32 by 42 inches. There are also a size of dressing table you can mention, and the dimension of study table is also important. Ceiling height is also important. Sitting area, that what is a comfortable sitting area. Comfortable lounge type sitting area can be recommended in your bedroom only if area is 22 square feet, yeah, more. So these are the furniture sizes, and there are one of the most important thing that, like, the three seat sofa standard is 38 inches deep and by 90 inches
Yeah,
wide.
even the sofa is most important to me.
I know.
Yeah,
So that's why I have
yeah, yeah,
prices. Armchair, coffee table standard size is 38 inches long and by 30 inches wide. Square end table should be at 24 inches. Rectangular end table should be at this inches. Dining room furniture measurement, bedroom furniture measurement.
yeah. You know what? One of ridiculous thing is that one day I was working, and like I was putting the tea table without,
Hmm.
like, I don't have idea the standard size, and I'm just like, yeah,
Hmm.
randomly I was just putting, and the didn't think what are you doing, like how is the measurement? I said, I don't know, I just, yeah, randomly I just put it. So he said, no, 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 that's not good, and that's, you can't put like that. You must
Hmm.
have to put like through the measurement. And yeah, that's the time was really ridiculous to me.
Hmm. No problem. Actually, the main reason is that you don't know about the standard size of the furniture. So that's why you are making a mistake in your drawing. Okay, don't worry. Now you will design your own furniture with the size of standard, like every size, like twin size bed, double full size bed, queen size, Eastern king bed size, California king bed size, chest of drawer. There are so there are so important furniture
Also,
sizes. We will
also
discuss in
before that kind of size, I have to recognize the measurement of the room or
yeah,
measurement of the place. Is that?
yeah. When we
Oh,
will
okay.
example, we will discuss this topic after making the architecture plan. Then we will complete the architecture plan, and then we will see the different types of standard size of the furniture. And we can then we will design any interior on the basis of the furniture. Like we will use the standard size of the bed in the bedroom. We will use the standard kitchen size in this part. We will use the sitting area standard in this section when we will complete the standard furniture sizes session.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Right. So okay, I think it's 123 here. So
Yeah.
tomorrow we will continue with a different
Yeah, okay.
topic.
Sure.
And we will share the link of the session and just make your
Okay.
practice. Practice is very important for you, because you have to make a lot of
Yeah,
practice if you
yeah,
want to be professional.
yeah. I'm practicing a lot. Yeah, in my side of it, that I'm hard working to achieve that, and I thank you so much, and I'm so grateful to you that you're helping me to yeah
It's good.
improve.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much. Thank
Okay, thank you. Have a good night.
you.